A new artificial intelligence agent has emerged that fundamentally changes how we approach workflow automation. DeepAgent represents the first truly autonomous, self-learning system capable of discovering, learning, and utilizing any online tool or service in real time without manual configuration, coding, or predefined integrations. This breakthrough enables DeepAgent to tackle complex multi-platform workloads that previously required entire development teams to implement. The system can analyze existing content patterns, generate matching outputs, conduct comprehensive research across multiple sources, and automate routine business processes by learning new application programming interfaces on demand. Today, I will examine how DeepAgent's autonomous capabilities represent a paradigm shift toward artificial intelligence systems that can independently expand their own functionality while completing sophisticated tasks across diverse digital environments. DeepAgent operates through a sophisticated discovery engine that enables it to identify, learn, and integrate with new services and application programming interfaces as it encounters them during task execution. The system parses open API specifications in real time, analyzes required parameters, and caches human-friendly explanations for future reference. When DeepAgent encounters a new service, it automatically examines the API structure, stores route information, notes required headers and request formats, and builds comprehensive understanding of service capabilities. This learning process occurs transparently during task execution, expanding the agent's knowledge graph that currently encompasses over 200 endpoint families. The autonomous learning capability means DeepAgent can connect to virtually any web service, handle authentication processes, and complete complex tasks as if it has been using those platforms for years. This eliminates the traditional requirement for developers to manually create integrations for each new service or platform. Unlike conventional automation tools that require explicit programming for each integration, DeepAgent adapts its approach based on the specific requirements and constraints of each service it encounters, creating a truly dynamic and expandable automation platform. DeepAgent demonstrates remarkable versatility across diverse workflow scenarios that showcase its autonomous capabilities. In social media management, the system can analyze existing content patterns to understand tone, topics, and posting styles, then generate new content that matches those characteristics while maintaining consistent brand voice. Research and information synthesis represents another powerful application where DeepAgent conducts comprehensive analysis across multiple sources, filters results by specific criteria such as publication dates, and organizes findings into interactive formats including mind maps and structured reports. The system can process information from technical publications, industry reports, and government sources simultaneously. Workflow automation capabilities extend to complex business processes, including data extraction from project management platforms, formatting and analysis of that information, and distribution to communication channels with automatic error handling and permission resolution. DeepAgent can identify and resolve access issues independently without requiring human intervention. Data analysis and reporting functionality enables the system to query enterprise databases, perform sophisticated calculations, and generate formatted reports with visual elements, including charts and indicators. These capabilities operate across platforms, including Salesforce, Jira, Notion, and Slack, without requiring pre-configured integrations. DeepAgent implements enterprise-grade security measures designed to protect sensitive credentials and maintain compliance with corporate governance requirements. All credential information remains in volatile storage, encrypted with session-unique AES keys, ensuring that no persistent disk storage occurs unless explicitly authorized by users. The system utilizes mutual TLS authentication and implements automatic expiry timers for OAuth tokens, providing multiple layers of security for service authentication. This architecture enables DeepAgent to access diverse platforms while maintaining strict security protocols that meet enterprise compliance standards. Transparency features include an internal thoughts toggle that provides trimmed logs of the agent's decision-making processes. Users can observe how DeepAgent analyzes content characteristics, adjusts parameters, and makes strategic decisions during task execution, creating audit trails suitable for corporate compliance teams. Performance optimization ensures efficient resource utilization with average memory footprints remaining under 40% of allocated CPU resources and task completion times rarely exceeding 30 seconds. The lightweight container architecture offloads heavy processing to remote APIs while handling orchestration and data management locally. DeepAgent's autonomous capabilities represent a fundamental shift in workflow automation accessibility, enabling individual users and small teams to implement sophisticated multi-platform processes that previously required dedicated development resources. The self-learning loop eliminates the traditional bottleneck of manual integration development and maintenance. The economic implications are significant as organizations can access enterprise-level automation capabilities through affordable monthly subscriptions rather than investing in comprehensive development teams and infrastructure. This democratization of advanced automation technology creates competitive advantages for smaller organizations. Traditional fixed-tool assistants cannot compete with DeepAgent's dynamic learning capabilities, which eliminates the need for developers to manually add integrations for new services. The agent's ability to teach itself new platforms and adapt to changing API specifications provides sustainable competitive advantages. If you liked the video, don't forget to press the like button, comment, and subscribe to the channel. The rapid development cycle demonstrated by Abacus AI, including overnight implementation of new discovery features, indicates that DeepAgent will continue expanding its capabilities at unprecedented speeds, potentially reshaping entire industries dependent on workflow automation and data integration. DeepAgent represents a breakthrough in artificial intelligence autonomy that fundamentally changes how organizations approach workflow automation and system integration. The combination of real-time learning, autonomous tool discovery, and sophisticated task orchestration creates unprecedented flexibility for business process automation. The system's ability to independently expand its capabilities while maintaining security and transparency standards addresses the primary concerns associated with autonomous artificial intelligence deployment in enterprise environments. This balance enables widespread adoption across industries requiring complex workflow automation. The broader implications suggest that autonomous, self-learning artificial intelligence agents will become essential competitive tools for organizations seeking to optimize operations and reduce manual workflow management overhead. Early adopters will gain significant advantages through improved efficiency and reduced operational complexity. The success of DeepAgent indicates that the future of business automation lies in artificial intelligence systems capable of independent learning and adaptation, potentially eliminating traditional barriers between different platforms and services while creating seamless, intelligent workflow orchestration across entire technology ecosystems.